Just a few weeks ago, students living at an on-campus residential hall were asked to self-quarantine after at least 20 people tested positive for the virus. And now health officials say positive cases are increasing among students living here at the Oaks.
I received this very strange email saying that UConn's there for us to prepare to quarantine.
Health officials say they're seeing increasing numbers of positive COVID-19 cases among those living at off-campus apartment complex The Oaks on the Square. UConn now asking students to self-quarantine.
We heard about a couple cases that might be going through The Oaks, and we got sick last week. We got tested on, well, 2 of us got tested on Saturday, and we were both positive.
We spoke to 3 roommates who all tested positive for the virus and have been quarantining since last Saturday.
The days have been blending together, just like staying inside and not doing anything.
Now you guys have to quarantine due to the situation. How does it make you feel?
We feel that like UConn doesn't really have the right to tell the students that live here like that they have to quarantine. I feel that like if you're negative and you're healthy, then you should have the right to do as you please. And
local health officials calling it an outbreak and believe the cases are a result of close contact without a mask. Students are only permitted to leave the apartment for solitary activity or grocery shopping.
We got our essentials here. We got orange juice, milk.
Popular UConn spot Ted's Restaurant and Bar was also shut down this week after 2 employees tested positive for the virus. UConn is asking students to self-quarantine for 14 days starting Friday, and once that time is up, they will be allowed to return to in-person classes. In stores, Zinnia Maldonado, Fox 61 News.